guys, it's pretty far away and pretty well as I just mixed up so much. I am making another video and I'm gonna draw a story today. So yeah, I'll just set it up. You may not be able to see that well. Okay, one sec. One sec. Okay, so I already have some. Wait, I get so mixed up sometimes. Wait, is this right? Yeah, this is what I have so far. It's kind of hard to see. It's backwards. And I'll do it this way so it's, yeah. Okay. I'm very scared of making videos. Alright, yeah, so let's get started. Let me do anything? No, I can't.